Lasers, in this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to navigate to your Google Photos and delete them in bulk from your Google Photos section. So this is a good cleanup tool. As you saw with our previous video, we showed you how to do the Google Takeout thing. So initially do the Google Takeout and export them to your computer, and then you can basically delete it from the cloud, which will give you your Google storage back. So the first thing that you've got to do is click on the 9 dots and then navigate to Google Pictures. Once you come into your Google Photos, you can see that all your Google Photos will be like this. What you can do, some lines are just one line, and some lines are more. So if you tick the tick up the top, all of the selected items will be selected. Kind of like a select all. So you can see we've selected everything. You just need to go through it. It's a bit of a time consuming activity. Once you've done that and you've selected everything that you want to get rid of, you just hit the bin. Then it will tell you that remove from your Google account, devices with backup turned on, and places shared with Google Photos. You will recover 6.5 gig of your Google account storage. So we're going to say move to trash. Now you can see that we still got some issues here. Again, this is what was left over. We will hit delete on this one as well. And now everything is gone, and we've only used 8.9 gigs of the 15 gigs. So we have some breathing room again. You can also go to your Google Trash, because things are being moved to your Google Trash. You can go to your Google Trash and you'll see everything that you've deleted. And you can basically go to empty trash. And it's going to give you that warning. So once it's deleted from here, it's gone. So we're going to hit empty trash. And that's it. It's all done. So that's how we get rid of the Google Photos and from the Google Trash as well. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.